Eyeseals 4.0 is a patented nighttime hydrating sleep mask that provides relief for patients suffering from nocturnal evaporative stress, including lagophthalmos, floppy eyelid syndrome, compromised eyelid seal, and for CPAP users. Using Eyeseals 4.0 is simple and creates a moisture-rich environment for the eyes, eyelids, and surrounding skin while you sleep. Start by ensuring your eyelids are properly cleansed with one of our available tea tree eyelid and facial cleansers. Test fit your Eyeseals 4.0 to your face by placing it over your eyes and strap around your head. Then remove the Eyeseals 4.0 and adjust the straps so that it fits comfortably, not too loose and not too tight. Only make adjustments to the strap while the mask is off your face. Spray our available soothing eye mist or add a few drops of drinking water inside the eye cups to increase moisture. Before bed, place your properly adjusted Eyeseals 4.0 over your eyes. As you wake, you'll notice your eyes feeling refreshed and hydrated. After each use, wash your Eyeseals 4.0 with warm water and a mild soap. Rinse well and air dry. Store flat and in your microfiber bag. For additional information, please visit our website at eyeeco.com.